All right, round two here. You got all the chairs here that, have you seen these and other ones? You've seen that. So like, oh, that one guy about the sales guy. It's like, people got to know how much stuff is going to be. So these are all these, a lot of this beat up by plastic and stuff, so whatever it may be. So we'll get some more party bars over here, shall we? A whole bunch. But as a consumer, people want to know how much. Over here, get my party barge here. All right, 26,000. A trailer.
Yeah, I'd say this one.
But gotta be able to see how much the trailers are. These bad boys. That's a weird chair. There it is. Look at that. So 61 Marine. This is called. $40,000 for this pig. So then add another $1,500 for the trailer. Bad boy over here is 30 grand. Again, add another 1,500 on. How much is it? Does that price include the trailer or not? Or is that just the boat? No trailer? What's the trailer cost to add that on, that 30 grand?
3,500.
All right. Like I saw one guy, I'm just telling you, I would have both prices on there with trailer if you want. That's what I would do. Just so people know. That's all I'm just. Time I do these videos, I always ask that question. One guy got all mad at me, but over there, it's like, it's a pig and a poke. I mean, in my mind, you can have the option of both. You know, it's kind of selling a car and saying, well, the engine's extra. Here's your car.
Most people don't get it.
I understand that, but it'd be nice to have that difference so you know when you're planning on that. One guy got all bitter with me over there, but it's like the way it is.
Yeah, I mean, it's been busy. We had 4 months.
It's all right, man.
People are
A nice chair there. I like that.
positive attitude now with the things changing around the country.
This ugly color right here. Ugly as hell. Nah, I wouldn't want to sit in this one. I like the table and stuff, but that gray is like ugly. You drive yourself around. Party bars are the best ones I have. I got them back in the cabin. They're my favorite. The best ones I have. Easy to walk around, put a grill in the front of it, and I cook them on all the time. Oh, this is kind of nice. You can sit in the back. Very nice. I don't care what he says. You gotta have the price of the trailer. Over here some more. Over here. See, these are big, and these are the big ones. Look at these suckers. Oh my goodness. Yep, this is 80 grand, man, for some of these big boys. This is the one where you live on a lake, like Lake Minnetonka, or you're living down in Florida and using the ocean. Because this is like a bar, so you're sitting here with a bunch of friends playing cards and drinking right here. Well, kind of loose. But yeah, this is a big dog one where you buy for your lake and you don't really take it because it's heavy as hell once you get it there. And the big one here. Oh yeah. Heck yeah.
Yeah, it is.
But This one you can sit people and can seat a lot of people in this one. This is the cruiser. We go out in Lake Minnetonka and hang out with your buddies. They should have hand railings for the old people. 51 grand for this sucker. Again, one thing about these things, you only get to use them 60 days out of the year. You better be living somewhere, California, you can go out all the time. You better live on a lake. Well, you can lay in this one. You can have a sex party. All right, man, yahoo. So 76 grand, and then you add another 5 grand on, all said and done, probably about 95 grand with taxes. For your own little boat, your own little ship. This one, 41 gur. Kind of nice. This is a cruiser. You can tell, a lot of party barges. You can get real cheap ones. A lot of used ones you can buy. Kind of go over there. Let's work our way over here. Getting different kind of boats over here. There's all kinds of boats here. Oh, shitloads of them. Yeah, because if I was here tomorrow, it would just be an absolute nightmare. I get my own little private little tour. This bad boy. Whew. Look at that. Goodness. Look at that sucker. All right, let's go over here. We'll cruise on over here. Look over here. My little girl's up there. She better be careful. And fall down. So get on over here. Different kind of boats. I've never seen these. They're kind of cool. Look, that one's nice. Look at this bad boy. Nice. I like that. Kind of a small version of a party barge. Malibu. Kind of nice. Very nice. These are a little different.
Yeah.
So you can kind of sit around, a little deep. 124 grand for that boat. Oh my goodness. That's kind of cool. It's a little different how you can sit, kind of gather around, go for a little cruise. No shoes. Yeah, they don't want anybody up to no shoes. Very nice. I want to go over there. I can hear the music. That's kind of cool. I like that. I like that blue. Yeah, look at those big. Look at those. Look at these big cruisers over here. Jesus, Erickson Marine. Let's go up here. Check these bad boys out, huh? The big dogs. This is where money's no object. Whew. Yeah. Yep. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at these suckers. American made, I guess. Allegedly. $251,000. Okay. Yeah. Yep, sitting up front, cruising right along. Double engines just cruising it. Oh my goodness. Look at that sucker. Oh my goodness. Oh. This one is 313,000. Okie dokie. Sit up front here and play cards, drink some beer. Sit right here. Be the captain's mate.
Let's go to the bar.
Oh, that bad boy. Who's this sucker? Anyways, what do you think, huh? Whew. Very nice. All kinds of fun stuff. This one is 120, give or take. Oh, shit. That's kind of an ugly color, but it is what it is. This one, no food or drink. I want to bring food. $600,000, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my word. Yeah. Nice. I like that one down there. That's cool. We'll go on the next video. But anyways, guys, see the next one. So that one down there, that's nice. Kind of cool. Anyways, see you next one.